Heal cough, cold, sore throat with this natural remedy. Got a sore throat, cough, or stuffy nose that just won't quit? Skip the pills, try this natural home remedy that actually works. Boil a cup of water, add fresh ginger, a pinch of turmeric, and a spoon of honey. Let it simmer, sip it warm, and feel that soothing relief almost instantly. Ginger clears mucus, turmeric fights infection, and honey calms your throat naturally. Drink this twice a day, morning and evening, and watch your cough and cold disappear fast. Tell me in the comments, who's trying this soothing remedy tonight. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nourish for Wellness for more natural health tips.